Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review video on a newly launched skincare product. So I am talking about the Garnier Vitamin C 30x Booster Serum. Garnier was kind enough to send this product out to me to try it out, and I have been using this serum for a couple of days now and I am really liking the results. So let me just tell you what I feel about this product. The price of this serum is 449 rupees for 30 ml of product. So first of all, the packaging of this serum comes in this really cute glass dropper bottle with, of course, a dropper with it, which is super sturdy as well, and you just drop the product to dispense the product out of the dropper. This serum contains yuzu, lemon and 30x vitamin C. So vitamin C has a lot of antioxidants, which is super amazing for your skin, especially in today's date with so much pollution and so much heat. Vitamin C is super important in your skincare routine. This product also claims to reduce your spots in 3 days, which I absolutely agree. I have been using this from a couple of days and I can absolutely see a difference in my skin. Use this product every day in the morning as well as the evening so that you can see faster and better results. I've been doing the same thing and I can see a lot of difference on my skin. My skin is getting cleared up. Right here on the cheek area, I have a lot of spots and they have become much lighter. To use this serum, all you have to do is have a clean face. To cleanse your face, you can also use the Garnier micellar water. I'm going to take a few drops on a cotton pad and just start cleaning my face. Once you have cleansed your face, you can absolutely go ahead with the vitamin C serum. So my face is already washed and cleansed. So what I'm going to do is take a bit of this vitamin C serum and I'm just going to drop that on my palm. So I'm just taking a couple of drops and you just have to spread it in between your fingers and just dab it gently all over your face. Do not rub this product. Just spread it on your palm and start dabbing it on your face. And the serum has completely absorbed into my skin and instantly it gives me this really beautiful glow. It's not oily at all, it is completely soaked onto my skin and it gives amazing glow to my face, which I absolutely love. And once the serum is on, you can always go ahead and use your regular moisturizer. The texture of the serum is super thin and lightweight. It kind of feels like a very thin milky liquid which is super light on the skin and it absorbs on your skin super fast as well. My skin is already oily, but this product doesn't make it more oily at all. It just absorbs into my skin completely and my skin just loves it. So overall, I absolutely love the Garnier 30x Booster Vitamin C Serum. I absolutely recommend this product to all of you. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this product because it is really amazing. Right now this serum is available on Amazon and I'll put the link in the description box from where you can purchase this product. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos from me, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!